Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Kevin.
Kevin, how are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you, Kevin?
I'm 8 years old.
Oh, you are 8 years old. Okay. All right. So, Kevin, today we have speaking test of Unit 5 and Unit 6. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Let's begin, Kevin. So, at first, we have vocabulary of clothes. So, Kevin, can you tell me what is it?
It is a red t-shirt.
Good. What is it?
It is a pink dress.
Dress. Good. What is it? This one?
It purple skirt.
Good. Purple. Skirt. Okay, not is a skirt. Skirt. And what are they, Kevin?
They are yellow
Yellow.
socks.
Good. Yellow socks. And what are they?
They are yellow trousers.
Good job. And now, Kevin, tell me, what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a blue t-shirt and black skirt.
Black skirt or black shorts?
Short.
Black skirt is for the girls only, okay? Not for you. All right, let's move to the next one. So we are going to talk about the body parts now, right, Kevin? Okay. So Kevin, can you tell me what is it?
I got one
It's a
one nose.
It's a nose. What is it?
It is a one hair.
It's a head. Good. And what is it?
This is a one chin.
Good job. And can you tell me, Kevin, what are they?
They are two ears.
What are they?
They are
Two.
two eyes.
Good. And what are they?
They are two ears.
Okay, you don't have to mention two. You can just say they are ears, they are eyes, okay? And now, tell me, Kevin, how many ears have you got?
I got two ears.
And how many nose have you got?
I got one nose.
And how many mouth?
I've got one mouth.
And how many arms have you got, Kevin?
I got two arms.
Very good. Well done. Let's move to the last part, Kevin, the phonics. Oh, so now you tell me the letter. What letter is it?
Nature M.
And M sounds?
M.
And
Monkey.
M is for monkey?
And mountain.
Good.
N.
N sounds?
Nine. Nut.
O sounds?
Octopus.
Oh, you don't have to say O anymore. You just say octopus and?
Orange.
Orange. Good. Letter?
P.
P sounds?
Panda. Pink. Q.
Letter. What letter is it?
Q.
Q. Good. Q sounds?
Queen. Question.
Question. Good.
R.
R sounds?
Robot.
Robot.
Rubber.
Rubber. Very good. Well done. Goodbye.